So you came in this morning into this room thinking, I don't need to know any of this medical malpractice nonsense. I don't handle any of this stuff. I'm just going to sit here, be on Facebook, answer my emails, and I'm not going to pay attention because I don't need any of this. But what have I shown you this morning? Remember, I made a promise to you. I promised you by the end of our discussion, you would learn information that will help you dramatically communicate with each of your clients, that will help you communicate with each of the people you interact with every day, whether it's your friends, your family, people you meet in court, people you meet in the course of your practice. And now, the moment you begin to hear that there is a suggestion that there may be a medical malpractice matter, all of a sudden you say, wait a second, I know this. Let me ask you the key question. What do you think was done wrong? And what injury did you suffer as a result of that? And now, where did this happen? Was it at Jacobi Hospital? Was it Bellevue? Was it a municipal hospital like Elmhurst Hospital? Or was it at New York Hospital? Was it at Montefiore? Where was it? Where did this happen? And now you begin to get the sense and the knowledge that everything I've discussed with you all of a sudden is clicking, and you're like, holy cow, this is what I need to know. Now I can tell this individual, this person, I can help you. I may not be able to help you with your medical malpractice matter, but I have enough information to get you to where you need to be. By the way, Mrs. Jones, I have a book sitting here in my office. I want you to read this. This will help teach you about how these cases work. And by the way, if any of you would like a copy for free, all you have to do is give me your business card with the word book written on it, and I will send you a copy to have in your office, so that when you have a client or somebody you're talking to and have these issues, read it. Give it to them. It's a great tool for them to have. And if you want more books, just call my office. We'll be happy to send it to you. Okay? You can always buy it on Amazon for $16.95, but you don't need to. I'll send you the book. It's almost 287 pages. And it's got great information. And what's amazing is that it doesn't go into the law in terms of teaching them the law. It teaches them how things work. That's a huge, huge difference. Remember, you're not handling their medical malpractice matter, but you now have enough information to be educated so that you can tell them knowledgeably, is that a word? You can tell them with an educated sense of, here's what you need to do next. Here's what we need to know to evaluate whether or not you have a valid basis for a case. Here's why your matter may be timely. And if it's not, here's why not. So how many of you think that the information you've gotten this morning is useful and can be used during the course of your lives and your practice? Raise your hand. Excellent. And that's the goal for this morning's discussion. Even though you don't handle this, you have to keep in mind this is useful information. You will find it and you will encounter it all the time. So ask yourself the question, is this something that you need to handle on your own? Can you handle it on your own? Or do you want to give it to somebody who handles this on a daily basis? Somebody who deals with this, who knows the pitfalls, who understands where to go and what to do, and importantly, what not to do. That's the key. That's your goal. That's your job as the attorney who doesn't handle these types of cases on a regular basis. And by doing that, when you now refer your client to somebody who has that knowledge, you are the go-to resource, because the next time they have a legal problem, they're going to come back to you and say, hey, you helped me with this other problem, something that you don't handle. Now I have this other issue. Can you please help? And that's a fantastic position to be in. You win, your client wins, the attorney you refer the case to wins, and now it's a win for everybody. So that's it for today's discussion about medical malpractice law. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it's been informative. Thank you all very much.